X Summit in Sydney has just ended, and here's all the products that Fujifilm announced in under 5 minutes. Starting off with the best announcement of the night, Fujifilm have just upgraded the X-T30 Mark II. We finally have the Fujifilm X-T50. And according to Fujifilm themselves, this is a camera made for creatives who value performance and creativity. And the vision statement, "My experience, my color," is definitely visible on the new body of the X-T50 because we now have a dedicated film simulation dial, which is the first time we see this on a Fujifilm camera. With 20 film simulations available including Reala Ace, we still have the shutter speed dial and the exposure compensation dial. And some of the biggest changes to the X-T line include a 40 megapixel sensor, the new X Processor 5, which means better autofocus, better power consumption, and all the subject detection features on the newer cameras, 7 stops of IBIS for better stability. When it comes to video, it can do 6.2K 30 frames per second in 422 10-bit. And it also includes all the latest video features that we have with our newest updates, such as the recording frame indicator and much more. There's a lot to talk about when it comes to the X-T line, and we will get to that in a later video when I get my hands on one. The X-T50 will be available in 3 colors, which are black, silver, and charcoal, and it will be available for $13.99 US. But if you do want something to pair with your new X-T50, then look no further than the 16-50 f2.8 to f4, which is the new kit lens. Fujifilm have finally decided to upgrade their kit lens, and unlike the older model, it starts at 16mm, which is a bit wider, and ends at 50mm. Not to mention, it is also weather resistant and it is also a linear motor lens, making autofocus performance way better than the older lens. Fujifilm's old kit lens was regarded one of the best kit lenses in any camera system, and this just makes it the best kit lens probably on the market. The new 16-50 f2.8 f4 will retail for $6.99 US, but if you do want to combine the X-T50 with the new kit lens, you can get them both for $17.99 US. But the announcements did not stop there, as Fujifilm also announced a new medium format camera and basically a downgraded version of the GFX 100 Mark II, and that is the GFX 100S Mark II. And this is a large format camera that is looking to be accessible for professionals who want to get into medium format. Similarly to the GFX 100, it features a 102 megapixel sensor, but it is not the exact same sensor. It also has the same PASM dial and 6 customizable slots. It also has 8 stops of IBIS, and it shoots in 7 frames per second continuous burst. Now, this is definitely a more photo-centric camera than it is a video-centric camera, but that does not mean its video capabilities are weak. This camera can do 4K 30 in 422 10-bit, unlike its older sibling that can do 8K 30 frames per second. It is looking to be a photo-centric camera that can be a great companion for professional photographers on the go. But the best part, hands down, about this camera is the price. I said this will be an accessible camera, and it is. In the medium format world, this camera will retail for $4,999 or $5,000 US, making it one of the best ways for photographers to enter the medium format world. Oh, and before I forget, there's a new GF lens that is 500mm f5.6, linear motors, weather resistant, top of the line for your GFX camera, and it will retail for $3,500 US. But yeah, that is everything when it comes to the summary of X Summit. If you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like, please consider subscribing. I will definitely have a better review when I have my hands on these new cameras, and I will let you know my honest thoughts and opinions. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.